everyone, it's Keisha here again, and in my last video I showed you how to use Craigslist ad tracker and also the Craigslist ad generator and Jing, how to create really quick ads to post on Craigslist. So actually I'm going to now go ahead and show you exactly how I go ahead and post these ads on Craigslist. Once again, I'm going to open up my Firefox because that's the only browser I use to post my Craigslist ad. I don't use Chrome or any other browser. I only stick with Firefox. And as you can see, when my Firefox is opening, I already have my tabs set up. I'm very organized with this system. I have my Craigslist site, so once I figure out what city I'm going to post in, I just come and find my city here and I go right into that city. I have my Craigslist ad tracker because I am going to need that to grab the URLs for my image ads. Alright, so let's get to it. The first thing you want to do, make sure that you have your hide my ass, you're in the city that you want to be in. One of the quick ways that you can do this is on the dashboard, on the navigation IP address settings, click verify IP address, and it can tell you that I am in Dallas, Texas, and that's where I want to be, in Dallas. Okay, and it's going to tell you the IP. Now I am going to actually go over, and so I already have my accounts and everything set up. Once again, in Craigslist Bananas, Ketter teaches you how to be very organized with having a spreadsheet. You know, I pretty much do what he says, kind of just put my little own spins to it, you know, stuff like that. Put my PVA numbers in there as well. And so here we go. So, and then as you can see, I also put what account this Craigslist, I also put what city and state this account is associated with, and that helps me because every time I log into this particular account, I go into Dallas, Texas. All right, and so let's get to it. So let's get over to here. I am going to log into Craigslist ad tracker, and before I log in, I am going to grab, as you can see, I have a tracker URL right here. I'm going to grab it. Even though hide my ass did say that I am in Dallas, Texas, I just want to confirm that, and so I am going to go to that link right there, and this is my page. And then I am going to just refresh this, and I actually have, there you go, Bobby Test Sales Rep. That's the tracker that I created. It says I'm in Dallas, Texas. I am good to go. So I am now going over to Dallas, and make sure, once again, if you haven't done so before you start this, make sure you run CC Cleaner. You want to make sure that you have a fresh copy. All your cookies and so forth are clean from your last postings, so make sure you run it. I've already done all of that before I started the video, so that's why I'm not doing it. So I am going to Texas. Let's go to Texas. Okay. Oh, where is Texas? Here we go. So I'm just going to go into the Dallas area, Dallas Fort Worth. All right, and when I go into Dallas, I just like to log into my account. I find that when I log into my account and I go to post ads, I don't really have a problem. So I'm going to go back to my thing here, my spreadsheet, and I'm going to see which one of my emails I am going to use to actually log in. And as you can see, I have it Tuesday, Thursday, Bananas. So I have, you know, spreadsheets with my different days, and those are the only days that I use these accounts. All right, so let's see if she's up here. All right, so Once again, like I said, I'm very organized with this system. I do have RoboForm and I do utilize it. So let's see. Click. All right, well, let's go grab that email. Paste. All right, and as you can see, I have a few ads in here. This is one of my newer accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4 ads. They've all stuck. And I have a few ads that I need to renew. So before I go and start posting and renewing, let me close out Gmail. I might not need Gmail right now. So I am going to actually go ahead for you today. I am going to post the 3 ads that we set up in our image tracking earlier on the first video. And it's in my main folder. I have all my ads categorized in different folders. So this one is in my main folder, and I left it there just for the purpose of being able to find them quick and do this for you. So what I like to do is I always like to click on the image itself to see what the ad is about so that I can write a decent title. So before I do that, I am going to go over to Craigslist, and I know that I'm already in Dallas, and in my nearby cities of Craigslist, all I'm going to do is right click. So I have Dallas. Let's see, go back to Dallas. Let's see, Galveston. And this is pretty much what I do. Okay, pretty much that's all I do. So now I have 1, 2, 3, and all 3 of those are already logged into my account, as you can see. Okay, and we're just going to take it from there. So let's go to our first posting. We're going to click post to classifieds. We're going to do that on all 3 of them. Post to classifieds. All right, so all right, so my first ad. All right, so we're going to, this is my first ad. So let me, now I'm going to grab my actual trackers. Remember, I put this in my test group, so I'm just going to get all my test, and the name of that was CL Ad 1. All right, remember this, look, once again, here is a different URL. We're going to grab this whole code and we're just going to put it, let's see, Galveston was already there, paste. All right, and post. All right, so Galveston, and then up to 30, up to 30K. I like to check these things sometimes. I'm going to press continue. There goes my ad. I'm going to click publish. As you can see, thanks for posting with us. We really appreciate it. It didn't tell me to confirm anything via Gmail or anything like that. So let me go ahead. We're going to do the same thing for this other. All right, let's go back. Let's put that there. Let's see what image 2 says. All right, so let's see what image 3 says. All right, so I actually like image 3 to actually post in the job section, so I'm actually going to use that ad. So I'm going to go back to my tracker and I'm just going to grab image 3. Once again, fountainlist.com. Actually, you know what? I am not going to use Fountain List. I'm going to refresh it because I think Craigslist have blocked Fountain's list. I know that from experience. So I'm going to just grab another URL. And the reason why I'm refreshing that was because that's pretty much the same URL, the same domain name. Okay, I don't know why it's giving me a lot of Fountains list. Craigslist does not like Fountains list at all. All right, well, we just got to work with the punches. What can I say? Job offered, continued. And for this one, I'm going to put in the customer service. I'm doing pretty much everything that Ketter teaches, just posting image ads instead. And my posting title, let's see. Okay. No experience necessary. And for this, I'll just put Deep East Texas. I'm not sure where that is. So I will just put okay, don't spend too much time on these things, okay? And did it give? No. So for here, we'll just put something that I have in here already. I'll just grab this one. Continue. Done with images. As you can see, I'm almost done with posting ads. I just have one more to do. Once again, thanks for posting with us. We really appreciate it. There you go. For this one, I'm going to post in the service offered just because, and that was the number 2. Good. They gave me a different URL this time. All right, so we're going to do small biz ads. And let's do mid cities. All right, paste. Let's see what number 2 said. All right, so this is a long title. All right. And we're just going to put Dallas area. All right. Once again, one thing I always do is use Craigslist mail relay. As they say, it's recommended. I never change that, and it works beautifully. And I'm going to press I didn't like my title, so earn more from home. All right, continue. Done with images. And I'm going to click publish. Thank you for posting it with us. We really appreciate it. All right, guys, there you have it. I showed you how quick it was to post 1, 2, 3 ads.